begin.
Connected LM35 to read the cooling on the surface of this Peltier module, and we are using fan to regulate the cool air. And for powering we are using this 12-volt battery, and then we have relay module and Wi-Fi module to send that temperature on server, and temperature and humidity outside the helmet also we will send to that server. And this one is Arduino microcontroller to process all these things, and on LCD we will write the things like temperature and humidity and the inside temperature on this surface. Okay, let's turn this on. Okay, so initially it will start, as you see, temperature 31, so it will cool it to 25, below also 20, also 15 also you can go with. So right now I am just showing with the 25. So let's see, 27, 26, and then relay will be off, and it will try to maintain that 25-degree temperature. You see, so this particular thing I will put into this helmet slot which I have made. Okay, now let's see how much it will go. I have shifted that temperature logic to 18 Celsius. Let's see. Code I have decreased the temperature level, so now let's see how much it will go down. And I have also charged the battery to the full potential, because if the battery level is low, so it won't get that much cool. Yeah, so we have reached 18 degree now. So now we'll test again. So at this point we are getting the output, and here we are getting temperature at 19 and outside temperature 31, and this is our fan which is cooling this heat sink, because on the reverse side it will heat and on the front side Peltier will cool. Okay.
Hello everyone, we are from 𝗩𝗨 Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware projects and products globally. 𝗩𝗨 Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, M.Tech Ph.D. thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, softwares and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.